Are marble countertops trending again? Dear friends, marble was a fashionable material for countertops in the first half of the 20th century. Then, it lost favor as cheap laminate and other man-made materials became popular. Well, marble is back in a big way, and it offers an exciting option for use in the kitchen and bathroom. Here are the reasons for the renewed popularity of marble kitchen and bathroom countertops. Marble offers unique elegance. Marble is the material of choice when a touch of refinement and distinction is desired. Marble counters offer a natural, luxurious appearance no other material can offer, with the possible exception of its sister material, granite. You've got an exciting range of options. Marble is available in a wide spectrum of colors. White marble countertops show very little color, though many have appealing swirls and veins of off-white, rose or gray. The base color for marble can also be off-white, gray, rose, light green and other hues. The veining and speckling includes whites, grays, roses, greens, blues, reds, blacks and more. Due to the wide variety, every marble countertop is a one-of-a-kind creation. Marble countertops make great accents. If you find that doing the entire kitchen in marble costs more than you want to spend, you've got other options. A marble countertop on an island can be a dramatic complement to more affordable wood, laminate or solid surface countertops. They are easy to clean when properly sealed. Having the countertops sealed correctly is vitally important. When they are sealed according to the manufacturer's specifications, they resist staining from juice, wine, oil, nail polish and polish remover. They won't harbor bacteria in the pores of the marble and can be cleaned up with mild soap and warm water. Because of the importance of sealing them properly, it makes sense to have your marble countertop installation done by an experienced, skilled professional. Have the countertops sealed as required through the years, and they'll give you decades of attractive, durable service. Conclusion: marble is being mined from more places than ever, and this means your options for color and variety have never been better. If you want to craft an elegant, upmarket look in your home, marble countertops are an ideal choice. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.